Hello guys, thank you for watching my videos, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do hit the subscribe button to support me and also to help YouTube to recommend the videos to other Excel users. So what you are seeing behind me is the Power Query window. So previously I touched on Power Query. Also check in my description to see the links of the video that I've touched on Power Query, and please do watch those videos if you haven't watched the introduction to Power Query to understand what it is. Today I'm going to look at one specific thing that you can do within the Power Query window. So it's called the filter function. We do have the filter function within an Excel window, and we also have the same filter function within a Power Query window. But why would you want to do a filter within a Power Query window other than doing the filter within an Excel? So the biggest benefit is that whilst Excel can contain a limited number of rows, Power Query can contain a limitless number of rows. Yes, as you increase the number of rows, it becomes slower and slower, but it can contain any number of rows. And the ability to filter within a Power Query window will help you to consume as much data, then run some transformations and only select the data that you want to work with within an Excel workbook, and only push that data into your Excel workbook so that Excel can be able to contain it. So you can import, for example, 4 million rows and maybe run some filters based on whatever criteria you want, then only import a few rows. So let's head straight away to the Power Query window and see how we can do that, how we can filter some rows. So what you can see here is the list of airports around the world. So these are all the airports that we have. These are all the airports. Then you might want to only filter by, maybe what you want to analyze is only history of or the information about large airports. So let's just go and say, look here. We want large airport only. So you can select and select all and just select large airports here. Then you can say, okay. The moment you have done that, you have already filtered. You can see here it writes the syntax that you need to use. So it's actually saying, okay, we are filtering for each type where it is equal to large airport. So that's how it's filtering. Then after you have done that, you can then load the data into your Excel window. Then you can do any other transformation that you need. You can either load it as a pivot table or load it as a table, whichever way you want to load it. Now it doesn't matter. You have already filtered and selected only the data that you want to work with. That will help you to only push a limited number of rows to Excel instead of pushing everything and doing filters within an Excel workbook. All right, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to hit the like button below. Thank you. Bye-bye.